मैंने कल एक किताब पढ़ी। आई रीड अ बुक yesterday. आई रीड अ बुक yesterday. वह स्कूल गया। He went to school. He went to school. हमने एक फिल्म देखी। We watched a movie. We watched a movie. तुमने खाना खाया। Did you eat the food? Did you eat the food? उसने मुझे फोन किया। She called me. She called me. मैंने अपना होमवर्क किया। I did my homework. I did my homework. बच्चा सो गया। The baby slept. The baby slept. मैं बाजार गया था। I went to the market. I went to the market. उन्होंने न्यूज़ देखा। They watched the news. They watched the news. राम ने खाना बनाया। राम made food. राम made food. वह डॉक्टर से मिला। Did he meet the doctor? Did he meet the doctor? मैंने किताब नहीं खोली। I didn't open the book. I didn't open the book. बच्चे पार्क में खेल रहे थे। The children played in the park. The children played in the park. मैंने कल क्रिकेट खेला। I played cricket yesterday. I played cricket yesterday. आपने नोट्स क्यों नहीं लिए? Why didn't you take notes? Why didn't you take notes? उसने सही उत्तर दिया। She gave the correct answer. She gave the correct answer. हम छुट्टी पर गए। We went on vacation. We went on vacation. मैंने अपना फोन खो दिया। I lost my phone. I lost my phone. उन्होंने सब कुछ साफ किया। They cleaned everything. They cleaned everything. क्या तुम आए? Did you come? Did you come? मैंने लंबे समय तक इंतजार किया। I waited for a long time. I waited for a long time. उन्होंने किताबें नहीं लिखी। They didn't write the books. They didn't write the books. वह जल्दी उठा। He woke up early. He woke up early. क्या उसने खेला? Did he play? Did he play? मैं हर शनिवार सोता था। I used to sleep every Saturday. I used to sleep every Saturday. मैं कल 7 बजे पढ़ रहा था। I was reading at 7 p.m. yesterday. I was reading at 7 p.m. yesterday. वह स्कूल जा रही थी। She was going to school. She was going to school. बच्चे सो रहे थे। The kids were sleeping. The kids were sleeping. क्या तुम खेल रहे थे? Were you playing? Were you playing? हम खाना खा रहे थे। We were eating dinner. We were eating dinner. वह टीवी देख रहा था। He was watching TV. He was watching TV. बारिश हो रही थी। It was raining. It was raining. मैं बाजार जा रही थी। Was I going to the market? Was I going to the market? उन्होंने गाना गाया था। She was singing. She was singing. वे खबरें पढ़ रहे थे। They were reading news. They were reading news. मैं नहीं देख रहा था। I was not watching. I was not watching. बच्चा रो रहा था। The child was crying. The child was crying. हम इंतजार कर रहे थे। We were waiting. We were waiting. वह किताब पढ़ रही थी। She was reading the books. She was reading the books. क्या वे बात कर रहे थे? Were they talking? Were they talking? मैंने खाना खा लिया था। I had eaten the food. I had eaten the food. वह जा चुकी थी। She had gone. She had gone. बच्चे सो चुके थे। The kids had fallen asleep. The kids had fallen asleep. हम शाम तक पढ़ चुके थे। We had studied by evening. We had studied by evening. क्या तुम जा चुके थे? Had you left? Had you left? उन्होंने गाना गाया था। They had sung. They had sung. मैं वो देख चुका था। I had seen that. I had seen that. वह घर जा चुका था। He had gone home. He had gone home. उस समय मैं तैयार हो चुका था। I had gotten ready by that time. I had gotten ready by that time. बच्चे कक्षा पूरी कर चुके थे। Had the children completed class? Had the children completed class? मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा था। I had been studying for 2 hours. I had been studying for 2 hours. वह बारिश से बच रही थी। She had been avoiding the rain. She had been avoiding the rain. वे मैच खेल रहे थे। They had been playing the match. They had been playing the match. क्या आप उसका इंतजार कर रहे थे? Had you been waiting for her? Had you been waiting for her? मैं सुबह से भाग रहा था। I had been running since morning. I had been running since morning. मैं कल पढ़ूंगा। I will study tomorrow. I will study tomorrow. वह स्कूल जाएगी। She will go to school. She will go to school. बच्चे खेलेंगे। The kids will play. The kids will play. क्या तुम आओगे? Will you come? Will you come? हम पार्टी में जाएंगे। We will go to the party. We will go to the party. तुम वहां नहीं आओगे। You will not come there. You will not come there. वह दूध नहीं पिएगा। He won't drink milk. He won't drink milk. हम साथ काम करेंगे। We will work together. We will work together. आप मुझसे मिलेंगे। You will meet me. You will meet me. सूरज कल निकलेगा। The sun will rise tomorrow. The sun will rise tomorrow. राम मदद करेगा। Ram will help. Ram will help. क्या वे बाजार जाएंगे? Will they go to the market? Will they go to the market? मैं तुम्हें फोन नहीं करूंगा। I won't call you. I won't call you. वह नहीं आएगी। She won't come. She won't come. मैं अगले सप्ताह छुट्टी लूंगा। I will take leave next week. I will take leave next week. वे फिल्म देखेंगी। They will watch the film. They will watch the film. मैं कल शाम 5 बजे पढ़ूंगा। I will be reading at 5 p.m. tomorrow. I will be reading at 5 p.m. tomorrow. वह घर जा रही होगी। She will be going home. She will be going home. वे खेल रहे होंगे। They will be playing. They will be playing. क्या आप सो रहे होंगे? Will you be sleeping? Will you be sleeping? हम खाना खा रहे होंगे। We will be eating. We will be eating. बारिश हो रही होगी। It will be raining. It will be raining. वह गीत गा रही होगी। She will be singing. She will be singing. हम मिल रहे होंगे। We will be meeting. We will be meeting. तुम काम कर रहे होगे। You will be walking. You will be walking. बच्चे सो रहे होंगे। Will the kids be sleeping? Will the kids be sleeping? मैं तकरीबन पढ़ चुका हूँगा। I will have finished studying. I will have finished studying. वह स्कूल जा चुकी होगी। She will have gone to school. She will have gone to school. बच्चे सो चुके होंगे। The kids will have fallen asleep. The kids will have fallen asleep. आप दोपहर तक आ चुके होंगे। You will have arrived by noon. You will have arrived by noon. हम काम पूरा कर चुके होंगे। We will have completed the work. We will have completed the work. वह घर जा चुकी होगी। She will have gone home. She will have gone home. मैं खाना खा चुका होऊंगा. I will have eaten. I will have eaten. मैं दोपहर 2 बजे तक पढ़ चुका होता हूँ. I will have been studying by 2 p.m. I will have been studying by 2 p.m. वह 3 घंटे से गा रही होगी. She will have been singing for 3 hours. She will have been singing for 3 hours. वे सुबह से इंतजार कर रहे होंगे. They will have been waiting since morning. They will have been waiting since morning. क्या आप दोपहर 3 बजे तक पढ़ रहे होंगे? Will you have been reading by 3 p.m.? Will you have been reading by 3 p.m.? मैं शाम तक लिख चुका होऊंगा. I will have been writing by evening. I will have been writing by evening.